Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming the basics so you can act immediately. Open Instagram and make sure the app and your OS are up to date. Outdated software often breaks sleep mode. Once done, grant notification permissions if prompted, then go to your profile and tap the three-line menu. This prepares the settings screen where sleep mode lives. You're not troubleshooting yet, you're creating the right environment so every subsequent change can take effect without interference. Now you'll change the core options that control sleep mode. Tap Settings, then Notifications, and find Sleep Mode or Quiet Mode. The label varies by build. Set your start and end times, choose which days and whether it repeats. This tells Instagram exactly when to limit alerts. Toggle Limit Notifications onto Silence Alerts and consider Auto Reply for DMs. Make sure you save changes or exit with confirmation. That ensures the app registers the new schedule and behaves predictably when the window arrives. Finish by validating the behavior and using quick fixes if needed. Restart Instagram and your device, then watch a scheduled start to confirm sleep mode activates. If settings won't save, clear the app cache or reinstall the app to remove corrupted data. As a last diagnostic, test with a second Instagram account on the same device to determine if it's account versus device related. If problems persist, capture steps and screenshots, and contact Instagram support for account-level issues. This gives them the context they need to help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.